Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about a stylish Android launcher setup like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the Leafline launcher application from the Play Store first, and you can get this super themed minimal looked launcher which is have a pink and bluish theme. It's a minimal color. On the top you can find a super 3D wallpaper with followed by a 3D looked wallpaper, not a 3D wallpaper. With some of the widgets you can find everything have a faded color which look different and unique. And this launcher have a minimal look setup. You can find in the second page you can find some applications with a circular folder design, and it totally looks so minimal and faded colors. Go to the setting option, go to the theme section, just swipe down and you can find this theme on the theme number 8. Just click on the theme and apply the theme. You can get this exam theme setup, and in the settings you can change the desktop icons, and also you can set for the dark mode and the hidden apps application. Every options are here, and this is the app drawer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.